to make Aki's curry from Chainsawman episode 4. Start by cutting an onion, a potato, and a carrot. Using a stove, saute your onions for about 15 minutes until caramelized. We'll be using this curry. Throw in your vegetables, curry blocks, and some water. Give it a good mix till it's nice and thick. In a separate pan, cook some thinly sliced pork. Add salt, pepper, and throw it back into your curry. Let it mix for another 10 minutes and it should look something like this. Cook some white rice and let's put it together. For toppings, we'll be using black sesame and some parsley. And that's